I am Jojo Matthew, and I am basically a mechanical engineer from NIT Durgapur almost 25 years before. I just tried my luck in this teaching, and I found it quite effective, and people appreciated. And that is how I started teaching for civil service exam from 1998 onwards. So I have completed more than 20 years in this. See, as far as the preparation for preliminary exam is concerned, we have to, in fact, if you look at the questions which are being asked these days, of course, we have only the selection is from the first paper, GS paper 1, where 100 questions are being asked. So all aspects, right from history, geography, constitution, economy, science, current affairs, all are, even general knowledge, everything is covered in this. So we need a wider knowledge in preliminary exam. In fact, whatever we studied right from the beginning in our school, maybe even from 6th standard onwards, whatever we studied, we need to revise it so that if we can remember, it is very easy to answer many of these questions. In fact, if you look at the kind of questions which are being asked, sometimes we might have studied in class 6, and now when it is asked out of the 4 options, since the options are already given, it's a question of you identifying the right answer from the 4 options given. So it requires a wider, the width of the information with you should be more than maybe the depth of the information which is required. When it comes to main exam, it may be more depth is required, where you have to analyze and maybe answer a question. Here, it is an information. If you are aware of a particular incident, you may be able to answer it much easier. So something you read today, even if you did not revise it, maybe after 6 months you may remember in a 4-option question. But that may not be the case with the main exam, where you have to remember everything and write from your own. So in preliminary, so the focus should be on wider reading, in the sense especially the basic information. First of all, the focus should be on how to create a base, a foundation for your preparation. The foundation comes from your NCERT books, reading and studying, read, underline, and memorize the NCERT book. So first we have to create a foundation in all the main areas, that is history, geography and environment, then economy, constitution and polity, and then of course our general science. And current affairs is a part of the thing which you have to constantly study. So we have to create a base. Then after that, we need to focus on, say, one particular book on each area. Study, say for example, in constitution and polity, maybe D.D. Basu, the book, the Indian Constitution, which everybody reads. So again, focus on reading, underlining, and memorizing those information given in that book in a very systematic manner. So once you have a basic understanding and knowledge about the subject, then the focus is only on practicing those questions. Because now the competition in civil service exam is very tight, and too many people are appearing for this exam. And especially after removing the optional subject from preliminary exam, more and more people are appearing for the exam. Anybody in the market preparing for even an MBA is ultimately writing this exam. So too many people are competing. So the competition has gone up very high, and the number of seats are not increasing. So the number of people as a ratio of the people appearing and then clearing preliminary exam has come down. So around up to 10 lakh people are applying for this exam, and we have only 12 to 15,000 seats. So naturally, when the competition is more, the focus should be on practice. As many questions as possible one should practice when you are preparing for the preliminary exam.